how's it going? Chef Amber here. Thank you for checking out my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to dice an onion. Let's get right into it. Alright, so you want to start by cutting your onion in half from top to bottom. You want to make sure you get all those skins off your board too. You don't want those in your food. You're going to cut the top off. Discard your trash. Yeah, those things. Alright, so we're dicing it one way, so you want to leave that root on and peel back the first layer. Wait till it looks good. It looks good to me. Very next thing you want to do is make your knife parallel to your cutting board and cut your first slice. As thick as you want your onions to be diced. I definitely should have put a wet towel under my board. That would have kept my board from sliding, but it's my first YouTube video. Just kind of going on a whim. So you see I did 2 layers one way, and then we're going to turn it and do cuts 90 degrees the other way. I'm sorry, so we're going to be cutting perpendicular. And then you're going to come back again on that third plane and cut it perpendicular one more time, and then you got your dice. Notice there's still a good amount of onion left. I'm going to use all that onion. Leave almost little to no waste. And you'll see here, look at that, almost no onion. You can save that for a stock in the future though. As you can see, we got somewhat of a large dice, a little smaller than a large dice. And we're going to show you method number 2. Sped this part up because you already know. Only difference here is that we're cutting off the root this time. You still want to peel off that first layer of skin. This time we're going to cut it into thirds. As you can see, now you got 3 separate pieces. And we're going to dice all these pieces. I find that this is an easier way to dice. It's a little more foolproof. Yes, so you want to start by cutting it into strips, just like how you would do most things before you dice them. And then turn it 90 degrees. And then you got your dice. Bang, bang. Move those to the side. We want to keep them separate. No need to keep them, to mix them together, because I might want to use a smaller slice of an onion for something like a salad. Maybe I want to make a tuna salad. I would use a smaller dice of onion for tuna salad. One, because I don't like raw onions that much. Tastes like armpits. Crunchy armpits, crunchy dirty armpits. But they taste great when they're cooked. And if they're really, really small, they add just enough armpit flavor to what you need. So there you have it. Alright, so as you guys can see here, we have a bit of a medium dice and a small dice. I would say both of these are like about a medium dice. This one's a little on the larger side, but you know, really depends. I'm not getting too technical with this video because most home cooks aren't really that worried about the names, but I will be doing a video that goes over all of the names of the cuts. This one was simple, just to start. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm actually a brand ambassador for It's Seasoned. Black woman owned company in Philadelphia. She makes her own seasonings. We have here a garlic and herb blend. Little Creole tang. It's a great replacement for Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. A lot less sodium Definitely recommend this one. Which just shows the box that I got sent to my house. See, I got the t-shirt and everything. So this one is actually the Cajun Heat. This is actually the seasoning that I bought first. That's how I met the owner of It's Seasoned. Her name is Whitney. We met at City Hall and she was selling her seasonings, and look at me now, brand ambassador, right in the game. So we got our Cajun Heat here, which you know, Cajun and Creole are slightly different from each other, both very delicious. This is the other Cajun seasoning that I got. And then we got our savory sazon, which can replace the traditional, savory sazon. Use this for your tacos, use it for your beans, whatever. All really great seasonings. You are definitely going to be seeing me using these a lot on my channel. Going to have some recipes that involve these, so you won't be able to make it if you don't get them. Gotta check her out. It's seasoned.com. You can purchase these right on the website. Support black businesses. Alright, but thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed my little lesson on how to dice an onion. I showed you 2 ways there. There are probably more. There are definitely more ways. Show me yours. Have a good one. Peace.